Dear students, I am from Excellence EDUCARE. Now, today we will discuss class 10th math quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. In the previous chapter, we have already discussed quadratic polynomials. You have already known quadratic polynomials. So, general form of a quadratic polynomial is what? Px. This is the symbol of a polynomial. Px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Px is the polynomial. Okay. If px is a polynomial, then px is equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. If px is a quadratic polynomial, here px is a quadratic polynomial. So, if px is equal to 0, then it is called quadratic equation. Px is a polynomial, then px is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. So, let us write quadratic general form of a quadratic equation. This is the quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. Okay. So, quadratic equation is px is equal to 0. That means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial. That quadratic polynomial equal to 0 means that is a quadratic equation. Why it is a quadratic equation? Because here equal is equal 0. Here is equal to is written na, so that it is a quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay. So this here is the quadratic polynomial and this is quadratic equation. So in quadratic polynomials, we have to find two values of x. So these are called two zeros. The two values of quadratic polynomials, two values of x. Two values of x of a quadratic polynomial are called two zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Whereas we have to find two values of x in quadratic equations. These values are called two roots. Two roots of a quadratic equation. Two roots. Two values of x in quadratic equation are called two roots of a quadratic equation. Okay. Now, so general form of a quadratic equation is what? General form of a quadratic equation is already written na? Is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. Okay. So let us write some examples of a quadratic. Let us write some examples among them which are the quadratic equation and which are not the quadratic equation. I am giving some example here. Okay. So among these examples, which are quadratic equations and which are not quadratic equations. Okay. So let us write first example is x square minus 6x plus 4. Okay. Is equal to 0. Second, two x square minus 7x is equal to 0. Third one is x plus 3 by x is equal to x square. Okay, x equal to x square. Fourth one is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. Okay. So fifth one is x square plus 2 root x plus or minus minus 3 is equal to 0. So among these, which are quadratic polynomial? The first one is what? X square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here x square minus 6x plus 4. So x square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to, इसको omit the is equal to 0, omit. Okay, no problem. Only x square minus 6x plus 4 is what? Quadratic polynomial. So that quadratic polynomial is equal to 0 means quadratic equation, because it is in the form of what? It is in the form of, we can write this one as, देखो, x square माने ax square means a means 1 x square plus bx minus 6 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here ax square, a means a1, ax square plus bx means minus 6x means plus minus 6x, so that is minus 6x. Okay, so here b, value of b is minus 6 plus c, plus c is 4, so it is ax square b plus bx plus c. So it is in the form of a quadratic. So it is a ax square bx plus c, it is in this form. So that this is a quadratic equation. Second one, 2x square minus 7x is equal to 0. So it is also a quadratic polynomial. Here 2x square plus minus 7x, minus 7 is in between the bracket, minus 7x plus 0, that is equal to 0. So this equation can be written as here, because 2x square minus 7x is equal to 0. So 2x square, this means ax square plus bx. What is the value of b? The value of b is minus 7 plus bx. Plus bx plus c. Here is plus c, na? Plus c means the value of c is 0. So value of a is 2, value of b is minus 7, and value of c is 0. So that is ax square plus bx plus c. So it is also a quadratic equation. So third one. Now third one. Here we can write third one. So here we can take LCM x. So LCM x means this is x square plus 3 is equal to x square. Okay, that implies x square plus 3 is equal to x cube. X into x square means x cube. So let us simplify it. So here x cube minus the x square will come that side, minus x square. So 3 will come that side, minus 3 is equal to 0. So it is not a polynomial because it is not a quadratic equation. Why? Now x cube minus x square minus 3 is not a quadratic polynomial. This one, omit this. X cube minus x square plus 3 is not a quadratic polynomial. It is not a quadratic polynomial. No, limit it. Okay, omit it. So x cube minus x square minus 3 is not a quadratic polynomial. It is a cubic polynomial. Degree is 3. It is a cubic polynomial. So the equation is not a quadratic equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. Okay. X cube minus x square minus 3 is equal to 0 is not a quadratic equation. Clear? This is the example number 3. Okay. Now example number 4. Example number 4 is what? X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. Example number 4, we have to solve it. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 2. So simplify it. LCM is x square. So x4 plus 1 is equal to 2. Clear? So x4 plus 1 is equal to 2x square. Okay, let us arrange this. So x4 minus 2x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So here it is not a quadratic equation, because if we omit this, so x4, okay, x4 minus 2x square, x4 minus 2x square plus 1 it is not a quadratic polynomial. It is not a quadratic polynomial. It is a biquadratic. x4 degree is 4 na. It is a biquadratic polynomial. So the equation is not a quadratic equation. The equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay. Next, example number 5. Example number 5 is like this. Example number 5, x square plus 2x root of x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it is not also a quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic equation. It is not also a quadratic equation, because if I simplify it, x square plus 2, so x to the power how much? Root of x means 2x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. So minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is not a quadratic equation, because why? Now if you omit this, so the quadratic polynomial is like this: x square plus 2x to the power 1 by 2 minus 3. It is not a polynomial, because here the exponent of this variable, the exponent of this variable is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So here 2x 1 by 2, x square plus 2x 1 by 2, 2x 1 by 2. So due to this, the exponent or power of this variable is 1 by 2. That is not a whole number. So that it is not a polynomial. Okay. So that this equation is not a quadratic equation. This equation is not a quadratic equation, because it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So bx means what? 2x to the power 1 by 2. It is not in the form of a bx. 2x into 1 by 2. 2x to the power 1 by 2. It is not in the form of a bx. So it is not a quadratic. It is not a quadratic polynomial. Clear? So these are the examples which are the quadratic polynomial and which are not quadratic polynomial. So we have already known that the general form of a quadratic equation, these are the examples of a quadratic equation, which are the quadratic equations and which are not the quadratic equations, not polynomials, which I have already given the examples of which are the quadratic equations and which are not the quadratic equation. Okay. Now, solution of a quadratic equation. Solution of a quadratic equation. Solution of a quadratic equation means to find out two roots of the quadratic equation. To find out the two roots of a quadratic equation. Okay. So there are three methods. There are three methods to find roots of a quadratic equation. Roots of a quadratic equations. The three methods are factorization method, second one is completing the square method, and third one is formula method, quadratic formula method. So solution of a quadratic equation means to find out the roots of a quadratic equation. Solution of of quadratic equation by three methods. First method is factorization method. Factorization method. Second method is completing the square method. Completing the square method. And third one is formula method. Formula method means quadratic formula method. Quadratic formula method. Okay. These are the three methods to find out two roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. Or to find the solutions of quadratic equations. Okay. These are the three methods. So now I will give here. Now I am giving what? Only one example. So by these three methods, here we have to find the roots of the particular given example. The roots of the particular given example. Okay. The example is 9x square minus 3x plus minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial because it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. You can write it in the formula. This is ax square means 9x square plus minus what? Minus 3 into x. Okay. Plus minus 2. Plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Is equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This equation can be written here. Okay. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now let us find its two roots or find the solution of this quadratic equation. So first method is the factorization method. So we have to factorize it by middle term split method. Okay. Clear? Let us write here. So 9x square. So here 9 2 ja minus 18x square. Minus 18x square. Middle term split method. Okay. So that is 6x 3x. Okay. Middle term split method. Factorize it by middle term split method. Okay. So this is 6x 3x. 6 3 ja 18x square. That means minus 3x. So minus 6. Minus 6x plus 3x. Okay. Let us split this. Split the middle term. Okay. So minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here, clear? Minus 6x plus 3x is equal to what? Minus 3x, middle term. Okay. Minus 6x plus 3x is equal to minus 3x. Minus 2 is 0. Okay. Let us. So here, among the two which is taken as common. So here 3x is taken as common. 3x means here 3x minus 2. 3 minus 2 plus, okay, bracket close, plus among the two which is taken as common, nothing means 1. 3x minus 2 among the two which is taken as common, nothing means 1. 1 is taken as common. So 3x minus 2, okay, is equal to 0. You are clear? Is equal to 0. Now 3x minus 2 is taken as common. Okay, so 3x minus 2 taken as common. Here remaining is what? 3x is remaining. So 3x. Here we also 3x minus 2 is taken as common. So 3x minus 2 means remaining is 1. So is equal to 0. Clear? So here two factors. So here, so 3x minus 2 is equal to what? 0, or 3x plus 1 is also equal to 0. Clear? Because 3x is minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 2 is equal to what? 0 by what? 3x plus 1. 0 by 3x plus 1 means 0. Or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 by 3x minus 2. 0 by 3x minus 2. So that is 0. Okay. Next. Here 3x is equal to how much? 2 is, so 2 will come to that side, that means plus, minus 2 will be that is plus 2, or here 3x is equal to what? Plus 1 will come to that side, that is right side, that is minus 1. Okay, so here ax is equal to how much? 2 by 3, or ax is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So these are the two values of x. That means two roots of a quadratic equation. This, okay, two roots of a quadratic equation are, first one is 2 by 3 and second one is minus 1 by 3. These are the two roots of this quadratic equation, or solutions of quadratic equations. So this is the factorization method. Let us write the answer here. Okay. Okay. So answer are what? X is equal to 2 by 3, or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. These are the two roots. Okay. Now second method is completing the square method. Second method is completing the square method. So in this method, let us find what two roots of this quadratic equation. So whether the answers are like this or not. Answers are like this or not. Okay. So by which method? By completing the square method. Completing the square method. Completing the square method. Second method. Okay. So equation is like this. Okay. Nine x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now dividing both sides by 9. Okay. So we have, so dividing both sides by 9 means that is equal to what? X square minus, let us divide both sides by 9. 9x square by 9 minus 3x by 9 minus 2 by 9 is equal to 0 by 9. Clear? Let us write here. Dividing both sides by 9. Why? Now because to make this first term as a complete square number. Okay. So that this implies, so 9 cancel means x square minus 3 by 9 means 1 by 3. Cancel na? 1 by 3x minus 2 by 9 is equal to what? 0. Clear? Now x square minus 1 by 3x is equal to 2 by 9. Minus 2 by 9 will come right side, that plus 2 by 9. Clear? So here that implies x square means a square. Okay. Now minus 1 by 3. Let us convert minus 1 by 3 as 2ab. As 2ab. So minus 2a means what? A means x. A square. That is a means x into what is the value of a b? 2a means x. What is the value of a b? So what is the value of b? So that the result is what? Minus 1 by 3x. The result is minus 1 by 3x. So that means into 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Clear? 2ab. So b is equal to what? 1 by 6. That means if you simplify it, 2 here 6, here 2, here 6 means 2 3 is 6, 1 by 3x. Clear? Minus 1. This the result is minus. This result is minus 1 by 3x. Okay. Minus 1 by 3x. Plus here 2ab. B means which one? 1 by 6 plus b square 1 by 6 whole square. B square. So here we write what? 1 by 6 mean b square. So that equal to 2 by 9 plus what? 1 by 6 whole square. Because in the left side we added 1 by 6 x square. So we have to also add 1 by 6 x square in the right side also. So adding 1 by 6 whole square with both sides. Here right. Adding 1 by 6 whole square with both sides. Okay. Adding 1 by 6 whole square with both sides. Clear? Now this one, it is in the form of what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? So a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. So a is what? X minus b is 1 by 6 whole square is equal to here right side. So 2 by 9 plus 1 by 6 whole square means 1 by 36. Clear? So x minus 1 by 6 whole square is equal to 2 by 9 plus 1 by 36. That implies x minus 1 by 6 whole square is equal to, take the LCM, 36. So 9 4 ja 4 to the 8 plus 1. Okay. So this implies x minus 1 by 6 whole square is equal to 9 by 36. So this implies x minus 1 by 6 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Therefore, now this implies x minus 1 by 6 is equal to x minus 1 by 6 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. So x minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 4 root over of 1 by 4. So x minus 1 by 6 is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Root over of 1 by 4 means plus minus 1 by 2. Clear? Plus minus 1 by 2. So x is equal to, so here in the left side minus 1 by 6, that will go to right side, that will be what? Plus 1 by 6. So plus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 2. So here x is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2, or x is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2. Clear? So x is equal to, LCM is 6. So 1 plus 2 to the 3. Or x is equal to, LCM is 6. So 1 minus 2 to the 3. Clear? Implies x is equal to 1 plus 4 by 6, or x is equal to minus 2 by 6. Minus 2 by 6. So this implies x is equal to, list it, 2 by 3. Cutting it, na? Here we also got it. So 2 by 3, or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Here. So here the two roots of this quadratic equation. Okay. Two roots of or solutions of a quadratic equation. Two roots are what? 2 by 3, and the second one is minus 1 by 3. Here in the first method, factorization method, we have also find the what? Here in the first method, the answer was this one, 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. In this method also the answer is 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. Okay? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Clear? The third method is quadratic formula method. Okay? Quadratic formula method. How can we find the quadratic formula? First, let us discuss how can you find the quadratic formula, so that we can solve the quadratic equation, or we can find the roots of the quadratic equation by applying quadratic formula. So what are the formulas? Let us discuss. Okay. General form of a quadratic equation is what? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. So let us find the formula from this. Okay, the formula from this. So dividing both sides by a. Dividing both sides by a, we have ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0 by a. Dividing both sides by a. Okay. Why? Now to make the first term as a perfect square. The first term as a perfect square. So a cancel. So that means x square plus b by a x plus c by a is equal to 0. Clear? So this is also like the completing square method. Okay. So here a square x whole square means a square plus this implies a square plus b by ax this equal to what? Minus c by a. Plus c by a will come to right side means minus c by a. Clear? So a x whole square x square this is a square, this is in the form of a square means x square plus convert this as 2ab form. So 2 into a means what? X 2a. So here b means write the b value of b so that the result will be like this b by a x result. So means that is b by 2a. Clear? b by 2a means 2 cancel means b by a x, the result is b by a x 2ab. 2 cancel, result is b by a x. Clear? So a square plus 2a into b, the value of b is b by 2a. Okay, plus b square b by 2a whole square. By adding b by 2a whole square with both sides. Okay, so here first add b by 2a whole square. So also add with right side. Which one? Now b by 2a whole square. Okay, so c by a plus this one is to be added with both right side also. Okay, so b by 2a whole square. No problem. In both sides, with both sides, we add b by 2a whole square. b by 2a whole square. b by 2a whole square. Clear? So let us write here. Adding b by 2a whole square with both sides. Okay. Now this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, plus b square. Okay. So the result is what? Algebraic identity a plus b whole square. A means x plus b by 2a whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to here minus c by a, so plus b square by 4a square. b by 2a whole square means b square by 4a square. Clear? So let us write. So this implies x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, let us take the LCM. So the LCM is like this, 4a square. So here what? Minus 4a square means minus 4ac. Okay, minus 4ac. Clear? Plus b square. Clear? Minus of 4ac plus b square by 4a. Right side. Okay. So this implies x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, let us arrange it, b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Okay. Clear? Now x plus b by 2a is equal to how much? X plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. So x plus b by 2a is equal to root over of this one here square. So that is b square minus 4ac by 4a square root over this. Okay, so this implies x plus b by 2a is equal to, the result is plus minus, so b square minus 4ac root over cannot be found na? So b square minus 4ac root over by 4a square root over means what? 2a. 4 means 2, a square means a. Root over of 4a square means 2a. Clear? So plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Clear? Let's write here. This implies x is equal to, so plus b by 2a will come to right side. So plus b by 2a means it will come to right side, means it will become minus b by 2a. So minus b by 2a plus minus this one b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. Okay, by 2a. So x is equal to, let us take the LCM. 2a here be 2a, here 2a, that is 2a. So 2a means minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root over. Clear? Okay, this implies x is to minus b plus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a, or x is equal to minus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. Clear? So that implies x is equal to, so these are the two roots formula, these are the two formulas to find the two roots. Okay, so we can write also like this, minus b, so x is equal to minus b plus here d, capital D by d root over of d by 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus root over of capital D by 2a, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is called what? D is called discriminant of a quadratic equation. Okay, so discriminant d. So these are the two formula to find out two roots of the quadratic equations. Okay, two formula of a quadratic equation to find two roots of quadratic equation. Okay, clear? So in the next class we will discuss the nature of roots, some important questions with answer related to quadratic equations, and some important word problem maths related to quadratic equations. Okay, so dear students, if you got some advantages from my class, please like to my channel, share it, and also subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon and set it all. Okay, thanks.